Welcome back to my video channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make spring rolls, also known as nem in Vietnamese. It's a famous dish in Vietnam. I believe that any of you can make these stunning rolls after you watch this video. My video today is to contribute to the Blue Dragons Children's Project. It helps disadvantaged children to stay in school. Please visit the website below and donate if you can. Thank you. Let's learn how to make spring rolls. You can find the ingredients in the description I posted below. Now follow me to a store so I can buy groceries.
Now we're at Fairway Market, which we can buy Vietnamese groceries. In other cities in North America, you can go to TNT or any other Asian market. Now we're at the international food section, which we can find dried mini mushrooms, and we can also find cloud ear fungus. Now we're in the frozen food section. Obviously you can get ice cream there, but you can also find spring roll wrappers that you can fold.
The first step is you take the mushroom and the cloud ear fungus and soak it in hot water for 4 or 5 hours. And then you're going to soak the vermicelli for 10 minutes. So you chop the green onion, then you cut the carrots so you can put it in the blender, and you're going to wash the bean sprouts. The next ingredient, which is optional, is crab or prawn. Last but not least is ground pork, but if you can't eat pork, you can add beef to the spring rolls, and if you're a vegetarian, you can use vegetarian meat, which is made out of tofu. Now we're going to put the carrot first in the blender. Be careful, this is really dangerous. The next step is we're going to blend the mushroom and the fungus. Next step is we're going to cut the vermicelli with scissors. Next, we're going to use 2 eggs and use the yolk, not the whole egg. Proceed caution. So we're going to put the rest of the ingredients, also known as the green onions, the crabs, and the bean sprouts. Now we're going to mix the whole ingredient up. Make sure all of them will be mixed together. The last step we're going to do is wrapping the spring rolls. If some of the spring roll paper has holes, it's totally fine. You can still use it. Now we're going to fry the spring rolls. First, you set the temperature to the highest one. We set the high temperature for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, we'll go to the medium one for another 2 minutes. That way the oil will be prepared. And then you can put the spring rolls in. Now the temperature is 70 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to put the spring rolls in. We fry it until the spring rolls are ready. Do not over fry it or it's inedible. I have a dish of spring rolls, but before you eat them, you can put them in the air fryer because they taste a lot better. Now we're going to prepare the sauce for the spring rolls. What we need for the sauce is vinegar, garlic, a measuring cup or a baby bottle if you don't have one, water, sugar. This important ingredient is called fish sauce. Each one has a different taste, but I like this one because it's made in Vietnam and it has an original taste. And you can also buy this in Costco. First, we need 170 milliliters of water. Now we need 18 milliliters of vinegar. Now we put the vinegar in the water. Now we're going to add 35 grams of sugar. Last ingredient we're going to use is fish sauce. We need 30 grams of it. Now we're going to mix the whole thing together. The sauce depends on your taste. Either you want more sugar, more vinegar, or more fish sauce. Now we're going to put this garlic in this shredder and we're going to put it in the sauce. Now we're all done. I hope you like our video channel. Please like and subscribe if you do. Bye bye. See you next time.